Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to start on the other guard. Stay tuned. Guys, you might be able to hear, it's pretty windy outside, so sorry if the wind comes in and makes the audio bad. We'll just put this mould over here. It's a pretty thick one, so pretty sure that's not going to go out of shape. Alright. Alright, so what do we have to do here? Take the clips out, get rid of this tape, this foam tape. Gotta find another. Oh, that's alright. This side didn't have the weather strip, so it's already got the silicone in there, so I'll just clean that up. Take the light out. Give it a wash, and we'll plug up all the holes. But oh, I've got chips, so they'll come out as bumps on the mould, so I can sand them down on the mould. This side flaked, so I had to do a lot more prep. As you can see, I had to sand it down where it was flaking off. This side's good, so prep on this should be pretty good. So paint defects, just some chips. So I'll just cover the chips up with bit of wax and it should be okay. But first up, give it a wash. Sorry about the wind, guys. This has been the best weather around here. It's been raining and windy and can't really do much to the fuzz while it's out here. So, let's do the guards. Alright guys, I've got to go get Marley, so nothing is really going to get done until he is in bed tonight. And I have to go back to work. So, when we come back, it's going to be dark outside. I'll just be prepping this ready for wax and PVA release. Let's see if I've got enough gel coat as well. Put a gel coat on and even put some, like a first layer of fiberglass. Yeah, this looks, I think it's all the way down like the other one was. Guys, I'm back. It's 9 o'clock. You can see dark outside. So just got this over from the other side of the garage. Not much left, but give it a rub down, and I'm trying to fix up this silicone a little bit. Yeah, clean it up. Guys, I just compared it with the one up there. I'm going to have to take this flare off because the flare is hard up against the panel on the other one, whereas we've got probably 2mm gap, so it's not good. So we've got to take that off. So I'll cut that out. Use a blade and cut the silicone, and use a blade to get that off too. Time to get this off. Sure. My other trim tool is still in the skyline. Yeah, a bit of cleaning up to do. Alright boys, got my work cut out for me here. As you can see, there's some glue on there. I can't remember if that was me or before my time, with putting that rubber gasket, the trim piece that goes along the edge. I can't remember. Probably was me. You got runs as well. So I'm just going to sit here and work this. Probably a lot easier just to sand it with the orbital sander. But it's late and don't want to piss off the neighbours. Yeah. Alright boys, I've done that. That's finished. There was a lot of glue on the back side of it, so it made it not even. So how long did I spend on that? It's 10 to 10 now, so probably about 40 minutes spent on that. Now to move over to the panel to get that all cleaned up. Okay, I've pretty much cleaned this up, ready for flare to go back on. Now, if you did see the other one that I did, I had some clamps to hold it down. Alright, so what I'm going to do is get these clips that I took out, put them back in. Going to get some RTV and put along that edge and clamp it down. So we'll get it as close as possible. So the good thing about having this line, this little bit line here, I want to run a bead, small bead of RTV along that line, because I know it's the edge of the flare. So when I clamp it down, it should glue it down, essentially. Then I'll just smooth it out if I need to. Alright, so last time I should use some electrical tape to put behind the panel. So I clamp down onto it. I've got two clamps there, one for there and one for about there. And we should be good. Alright boys, I'm going to leave this episode here. As you can tell, this needs to dry. So, I'll catch you next episode when we take these clamps off and start prepping it for molding. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't. Bye.